Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, today I will share a very useful tip, very technical point, which problem I faced before yesterday. I was working on a system. It was a computer control, microcontroller based system. We was facing a problem in reset. Sometime the system goes in hang state. It is just goes in wait state. It does not respond to any command. What was the problem? Sometime it was working perfectly. Sometime it was in hang state. Why? Because when there is a reset switch, it is open or closed. When we press in, either it gives a low signal to reset pin or it gives high signal to reset pin. So normally we test with the multimeter at continuity. We check at continuity like this. Now I will show you what the problem I was facing. This switch I removed from, we can see this switch is reading some resistance. Sometime, now it is, I will make more clear view. Okay, now if we see, it is working. Sometime it gives 300 ohm resistance. Sometime, and if I switch it to ohm mode, now it is giving 1.1 ohm, and sometime it is giving 300 ohm resistance, 400 ohm resistance. We can see the resistance is varying. Now it is 3 ohm. After some time, the resistance goes to 300 ohm, 400 ohm. It should be 0. We can see this resistance is varying. Why? Because this switch is too much old. So 1 and 2. A standard switch we can see it is 0.8 ohm. Okay, I will see the other contact of the same switch, and it is push switch. It is 0.9 ohm. This switch 0.9 ohm. This does not change its resistance. But if I come to this switch again, this switch was making problem. Sometime it was giving, we can see the resistance. The resistance is varying. Sometime it is giving me 0 ohm. It is giving me 0 ohm. If I will push again, sometime it works okay, and sometime we can see now the resistance is changing, 2.8 ohm. Sometime when it is giving high resistance, 200 ohm, 300 ohm, another try. Now we can see it have varying resistance. Sometime it is giving me fixed resistance, sometime it's giving me changing resistance. So this switch, it was increasing resistance. When the resistance increase, the processor reset pin does not take a good signal to make reset. When it is not receiving appropriate voltage to reset the pin, it makes problem. So friends, when we check a switch, we should check this switch in a resistance mode also. In resistance mode also. In resistance mode. We normally check in continuity mode here. Just we check and we check buzzer. No. We should also check in resistance mode. In resistance mode, you can verify the switch, either it have good conductivity or it have problem. We can see this time I am taking 600 ohm, 10 ohm, and at next push 0.2 ohm. Sometime it is giving me a good resistance, and sometime we can see I am taking a varying resistance now. So this switch, it was making a problem. So when it making problem, I should cut the leads. So I destroyed it. So I no need. I will remove this screw, this nut and washer. Maybe I can use in future. And take care. If you find this video is good for you, you can like, subscribe and share. If you have any doubt, any comment, you can write in the comment and I will happy. So this momentarily push switch, when we push, they make contact between two pins. These two pins and these two pins. This is double pole single throw. The other was single pole single throw. This double pole single throw, DPST. This is very good switch. So when we use switches in processor where a signal is being transferred, when there is a power no problem. If there is some resistance, the power maybe drops some minor voltage and it will make sparking and it will work. But if you have to work with signals, then we have problems. Take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.